in a jiffy to pick you all up.
So I really don't know how this is possible, but I guess y'all are going in a cartoon, so.
Pegaram something.
It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together.